Uh, Miss Armstrong, haven't known you very long, but the dimples in your smile sing me the sweetest song. If I can make you mine, we'll be together tonight, cause I hate to waste time. Yeah, but you best friends with my best friend, and you just turn my right hand to my left hand. Yeah, and that probably just stir up stupid mess. But I am not a Mets fan. Now the other girl, yeah, she dark skinned, and every time she smiled, she made my heart spin, twist through, back and through, kickstand flips, but I'm silent about it, cause I'm loving these friendships, but I'm quick to learn the stupid lesson. You never coming first if you're second guessing. And that almost feeling is so depressing. She's more than the girl. She's the sweetest blessing. But I gotta keep that on the DL. Her presence is valued. So I'll call her seashell. Now back to this other lady. Our relationship is something that you might call crazy. But it's something about her that just turns me on. She's independent, represented, yeah, army strong. And I'm sorry for the broken hearts of my upcoming. But I got an addiction for an ambitious woman. I just need someone for me to love on. Say, baby, can I be your slave? You can call me Love Jones. And forget your man, I got everything on him. He sing you sweet nothings, I sing you love poems.